Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Md Fazaluddin, MA English and B.Ed. I have some years of experience in teaching spoken English. We are going to start an easy method of learning spoken English through our ZF lessons for students. It's a YouTube channel. Inshallah, our spoken English and grammar learning course will include Urdu language and English language. I will make you understand in Urdu and English how to learn English language. Friends, inshallah, it will be an easy way of learning English. Everyone today thinks that English is a difficult language, and at the nick of time, while you want to speak to anybody, you get some difficulties in speaking. But our course, our method, our way of teaching and learning, it's not difficult. It will be an easy way of learning, inshallah. The fundamental English things, as you know that today everyone wants to learn English and he joins the very big institutes of teaching and learning spoken English like in major cities, and he complete the course also, but even he can't learn as a one tense also. Wherever you go, whichever the institute you join for learning English, they teach you fundamental English things like English grammar. You have to become perfect over the English grammar first of all. If you want to learn English good, what are the fundamental things of English language? Today, when I ask you, a student or a bachelor student, what is the subject and predicate in English? When I ask, he can't explain that subject and predicate. He doesn't know subject and predicate. So how can he speak? How does he know to speak English? You have to know all the structures, all the grammatical kinds of English language. Then only you will get to learn English and you will become perfect in speaking. It depends LSRW, as you know. English, every language consists of LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, writing. But we will work hard over the speaking only. Okay, what are the things needed to speak? You have to know some things. You have to have some knowledge of English. What is English? English is an international language. It is spoken as first language the countries like USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and so and so. But for the learner whose mother tongue is not English language, it is very difficult to speak. Writing is an easy task, but speaking is a difficult task. I am also a learner. I am not teacher. I am also a learner. I am a small and little learner. I don't say that I am a teacher. As a learner, I am still learner. I don't have any knowledge, but some knowledge, whatever I have, I am trying to teach you. I am trying to learn you through teaching by our YouTube channel, that is namely ZF Lessons for Student. It includes, we have included all the children, students, youth, youngsters, everyone, whoever wants to learn English through this channel. Inshallah, I will make you understand an easy way of learning is English. Inshallah, fundamental things I will teach you first in the beginning classes. Then I will give you some techniques how to speak. Okay? Speaking doesn't need translation. You have to make your mind English mind. Whatever you think, whatever you speak, whatever you do, that will you have to keep in your mind only in English. Okay, inshallah. First of all, in later classes, I will explain you what are the basic things, fundamental things of English language, that I will teach, I will make you understand. Okay. For example, I show you that what are these fundamental structures, fundamental things you have to learn before learning tenses. Grammar depends. Tenses, passive voice, question tag, indirect speech, parts of speech, and conditional classes. In English language, we are having a lot of structures that will be learned later. Okay, before learning tenses, you have to know for at least verb. What is the verb? The verb forms of the verb, helping verb, auxiliary verbs, pronouns, and the question words like WH, which start with the words which start with WH, like what, when, where, how much, how many. This will be learnt later in the next coming classes. Later I will teach you. Okay. Our learning method will be an easy way of learning. Okay, thank you so much.